Mariel. Oh, it's Giacomo. Wow. Wow, it's really cool artwork. Pikachu. Hey, how's it going everybody? PokeDadTCG here. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Paldea Evolved ETB, Elite Trainer box. Hopefully we're gonna get some cool items out of it, and stick around until the end to see if we got some good pulls. Thank you all, and see you in the comment section down below what you think about this video. Okay, so we got the box. This is the ETB, Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. And we're gonna start unboxing and see what cool stuff we got inside. Probably you know already, we got the cool Pikachu card, the promo card. It's right here on the back, you'll see it here, this one. Unfortunately, this is not a Pokemon Center ETB, so this card, it's gonna worth around $4, something like that. Okay, so let's crack this open. You'll see this is like a new edit, because it's got the QR code on the back.
5 hours later.
Okay, got it upside down. Put those to the side. Yeah, this is the ETB here. And now if you slide this, you're gonna have the book, which I'm gonna show you in a second. You got this cool art here. If you look through this, the one I want to keep this one as it is, or you can remove the sides and basically create some cool art with Masquerada and some other cool Pokemons. This is the booklet with Paldea Evolved. See the basic Pokemons here. And let's look at the end. Normally the full art ones are really cool. The chase cards for me will be the Masquerada, the Sprigatito, and the Floragato. Heracross, I have some cool ones that I really need. Magikarp, right over here, Magikarp. Fuecoco I like as well. Raichu, one of my favorites as well. What else we got here? Magikarp, as I said. And the Dene, this one, it's really cool. Can't wait, hopefully if we can get that one. And we got the Iono, Saguaro here. The other Iono and the other Saguaro here, and the gold cards. Okay, now if we're gonna go inside the box here, we got the normal dice. We got the dice as well. Yeah, this one with the cool prints. We got the poison and fire, burning one. And now what I do, I take this out. Well, looks like the dice box was unboxed. I don't know how, because one of the dice got out. I didn't break the box or anything. Okay, no problem. We got the energy. And we got the Pikachu card. This looks really nice. It's a bit off center, you can see here from side to side, it's a bit off center. We're gonna check that one in a second. We got the sleeves. I'm gonna show you because I really like these sleeves. I'm gonna unbox this one. We got 65 sleeves as we normally do for any ETB. This is how they look like. Really nice. And let's check out the Pikachu card. But what I want to do, I really like this card. It looks like this. Wow, it's really cool artwork. Pikachu adventuring together. First time that I'm seeing this card. I will sleeve it. how it looks like. Really cool card. I recommend you get this one. Yeah, as I said, unfortunately it's a bit off-centered, but it is what it is. We put this one to the side. Put everything to the side actually. And the box. And what else we got? We got the code card and the packs in here. We got these 8 great packs. Fingers crossed we're gonna get the Magikarp out of these. No pressure. And I forgot, we got the dividers as well with Fuecoco, Sprigatito, and Quaxley. Got the code here. Alright, so now let's dive into the packs. Hopefully I didn't bore you too much. We got these 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 packs, sorry. We got the 9 packs. I normally start from the middle, so I'm gonna start with this one here. Let's crack this one open and see what we got inside. I didn't open packs for a while now, so I'm a bit rusted. Alright. Got all the cards out. I don't know if it's any card trick to these ones. So on the first pack we're gonna dive in, hope for the best. That's the code card. And we got like this. We got Charcadet. Okay, Murkrow, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Azumarill, Vespiquen, Ice Cube. We got the reverse, Deadbolt. And into what's this? Ooh, Fuecoco full art. Wow, that's really nice.
Nice.
That's really cool card. I'm gonna sleeve this one and let's see if it's a double banger. No, we got Cerulege. Oh, this one is nice. We're gonna get Cerulege full art in Surging Spark, so hopefully we're gonna get this one full art there. But yeah, let's look again on the Fuecoco. Really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna go in this one. Let's see what we got. Expecting this one to not have any big pulls, but you don't know with these packs. We got a code card here. So I think there were 1, 2, 3, if I'm not mistaken, from the back. Oh, no, actually. But we got Litleo and we got Earthworm Hollow. So that was Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff. I messed this one up. Pomi, Tauros, Kibloom, Dendray, and Azumarill reverse. Okay, no problem. We got 7 more packs. We're gonna go with this guy. Don't know who this guy is, so let me know in the comment section. I know it's an evolution from Quaxley. I really don't know exactly. Don't know all these Pokemon, so yeah, tell me a bit in the comment section, please. Okay, this is the code card. And I'm gonna do one from the back to the front. Yeah, got the energy. We're cooking now. Pomi, Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Talonflame, Heracross. I really like the Heracross full art, so hopefully fingers crossed for that one. Kilovetrel. Oh, Tandemaus. Reverse. This is gonna be very nice in my daughter's album. We got Faulkner and we got Masquerada EX. Ooh, nice one. Not a big pull, but it's really nice. So I'm gonna sleeve this one. Oh, this one broke quite fast. Normally, I noticed if it doesn't break fast, you will get some good pulls. But let's see. We got Dark, Think, Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Jet Energy, Fighting Ole, Marble Steve, Phalanx, Tarantula Reverse, and Tinkaton Hollow. Nothing here. We're gonna go with this guy, Chen-Pao, sorry. Chen-Pao. I'm gonna go with Chen-Pao this time. We are at the half of the DTB box. Don't think we got our money back yet. Got a code card. And let's see if we got Fire of Grass. Magikarp. Slowpoke. Litleo. Rockruff. Gotitele. I didn't know this card. Artibax. Giacomo. And we got the reverse Palosan. Oh, I really needed this one. And Shinx and into Wigglytuff.
No! God, please, no! No!
Hollow. It's really nice. 4 more packs to go. Almost there. Really need that Magikarp. So fingers crossed for us. This is the code card. And I'm really hoping for that Fire. Yeah, we got Fire. We should get something good this time. Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Charcadet, Palosand, Raichu. Ooh, maybe it's a Raichu this time. Gotitele, Marill. Ooh, it's Giacomo. Wow, the full art. And
Oh my God! Wow!
and Weavile. I thought it's a double banger. Giacomo. Ooh, I really like this one. Let me sleeve it up. Out of this one. If I remember correctly, Giacomo, it's like $20. Maybe I'm mistaken. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about the pool so far? We got a code here. And oh, that was from the Fire one. So yeah, I was right. Fire is quite good. And let's hope for Water this time. Ooh, we got Metal. Murkrow, Mischievous, Sneasel, Gotita, Artibax, Giacomo, Talonflame, it's a reverse Tinkatink, another reverse Fletchinder, and Limora Hollow. Nice one. 2 more packs. So I'll leave the Masquerada last because I really need that Sprigatito, so fingers crossed for that. I'm still hoping for that one to be the last. For Floragato, one of them. Code card here. I can feel something good. I think should be something good. Oh, it's a V, I think. Alright, we got green, we got Grass Energy, Marill, Wingull, Ineco, Tinkatink, we got Heracross, oh come on Heracross, Kilovatral, Azumarill, Boss's Orders, Charcadet, into, oh, what's this? Oh, Chen. Full art. Wow.
Damn!
Oh, I didn't know this card. Uchian. Let me know in the comment section if you knew about this card. Really interesting from Paldea. Got good pulls so far, I think. 4 pulls with this one. And let's hope for some last pack magic. Last pack magic, last pack magic, last pack magic 3 times. Should be a good pull then. I'm really curious what we get in here. This pack felt big, felt a bit heavier than normal. And if we got Fire, we're gonna get some good pulls. It's the cold card. Let's see if we get Fire. Gothita, Marill, Wingull, Pineco or Pineco, Iono. Ooh, is this a sign for Iono? Let's see. Knucklestack, didn't know this Pokemon. Corvisquire, wow, really nice artwork on this one. It's reverse. Sprigatito, come on Sprigatito, Octibax, and last, Pomod. Alright, let's see if we got our money back. I'm gonna do some quick, 26 euros we got back, something like that. So it's pretty good. If we count the bulk as well, I think we are on the very close to what we paid for. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think, if this was a good ETB. If you pulled better, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome PokeDadTCG videos with unboxings. We're gonna have Searching Spark soon, as when it launches, or very soon, very close to that date. So stick around for more videos, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you all, and see you in my next video. Take it easy.